Cody, this is Roger Riedmiller of Lawyer on the Line. How can I help you?
Well, I have a question for you. I got into a motorcycle accident about a month ago, and it shattered my heel. The lady that hit me was only covered for $50,000. What I'm wanting to know is, would it be smart for me to just take the $50,000 and pay off medical bills and everything, or should I stretch this out, take it to court, because she's only an 18-year-old chick that hit me?
Okay. Well, that certainly would seem to lead us down the road of concluding that she has no assets if she is only 18 years of age. However, if there's always a possibility that if your damages well exceed $50,000 and she is employed and perhaps comes from a situation where she does have assets, then if she was at fault in causing the accident, she should pay for the damages or consequences from that accident if she's not insured enough to cover all of your injuries from that accident. So I think what I would suggest before you conclude that it's not worth pursuing, what we do in our office is we get what's called an asset on affidavits. Okay? An affidavit on assets, I'll get it out. And basically, it's an affidavit that tells us what types of property an individual might have that would not be subject to the exemptions or from collection, and tells us whether or not that person is judgment proof. And then we advise our client, look, if you pursue this individual, you could, if you collect a judgment or get a judgment, you could collect individually from them because they do have some assets, or in many cases we tell them quite the opposite. There really aren't any assets worth collecting. In either event, we leave it up to our client to make that decision, but they really can't make an educated decision until they see some sort of affidavit that verifies whether or not that person that caused the accident is judgment proof. Thank you, Cody. I appreciate the question.